We're here at the renowned Fabric Building to introduce our latest listing at 109 Commercial Road, Teneriffe.
This well-maintained quality apartment has 2 spacious bedrooms and a dedicated study area. The kitchen has stone bench tops and quality Miele appliances. And the adjoining balcony is a great spot for relaxing or entertaining friends.
Rooftop amenities include this beautiful pool, barbecue facilities, and cabana lounge areas with views to the city and surrounds.
To make this your home today, call us now.